Chapter 6 Statement in QBasic. Chapter includes statements in QBasic, input statement, rem statement, if-then-else statement, logical Boolean operators, nested for next, while when assignment statement, clean statement with different options, if-then statement, go-to statement for next loop, do loop, exit command. Introduction. BASIC is a high-level language. It stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is a simple-to-use and learn computer language. Therefore, it is used for beginners in programming. It was developed in 1964 by John G. Kemeny and Thomas E. Kurtz at the Dartmouth College in the USA. The different versions of BASIC are GWBasic and QBasic. QBasic stands for Quick Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is free and works on most computers. It can be learned quickly as its statements are easy to read by other programmers. Statements in QBasic. QBasic has the following statements: assignment statement, let statement, output statement, print statement, input statement, rem statement. Assignment statement / let statement. Let statement is also called assignment statement. Let statement is used to assign a value to a variable, whether it is a numeric variable or string variable. Syntax: line number, let variable name, equal value or expression, where line number is optional. Example: let a equals sign 38, where a is variable name and 38 is a value. It assigns 38 as a value to a variable a. Example 2. Example 3. Let a equals sign 15 assigns 15 to a. Let b equals sign 6 assigns 6 to b. Let c equals sign a asterisk b calculates and stores product of a and b. Print c displays values stored in c. End indicates end of a program. Example 3. Let a equals sign 3. Let x equals a plus 3. 48 calculate sum and stores in x, where x has value 3 plus 3. Point for 8 equals sign 6.48. Input statement. After printing the message, you can accept the input from user by using input statement. It waits for the user to enter data and then it assigns the values to variable. It halts the screen until user enters data through keyboard. Example input: enter your age, print. Your age is age. Output: enter your age 18. Your age is 18. Print statement with different options. This statement is also called output statement. It is used to display message on the output screen, and it also displays the value of variable on output screen. Syntax: line no, print constant, auth string constant, auths variable, expression. Example 1. Print: this is my first program. Output: this is my first program. Example 2. Print: I love my computer. Output: I love my computer. Example 3. Print: hello friends. Output: hello friends. Print any number. It will display a number on output screen. Example: print 100. Output: 100. Print statement with separators. Print text or message, any number. This statement will display message as well as a number with a gap of 1 tab. Print with comma. It allows the gap of 1 tab space between the text and a number or two printing statements. Example 1. Let x is equal to 18. Let y is equal to 30. Z is equal to x plus y. Print x, y sum z. Example 2. Let a is equal to 98. Let B is equal to 75. C is equal to A minis. B print AB different C. C end. Semicolon separator. This separator allows to give a single space or press space bar between the two printing statements. Let $1 is equal to Mates. Let $1 is equal to Mates. Let $C is equal to Shreyas. Print $1. B $, C $, print $1, B $, C $, and a simple print statement. The print statement is used to display output on the screen. Print without any data or variable will leave a blank line on screen. To print two or more values in one line, you put commas or semicolons after them. Example, print welcome to QBasic. Print, explore it. Output, welcome to QBasic. A blank line, explore it. Print statement with tab. It is used to indicate the column numbers while displaying message or values to control the column numbers. Syntax, print tab, C constant, variable expression, where C is a column number. Example 1, print tab, 5 hello. It will display hello, starting from the column number. Fifth, example 2, print tab, 2022, it will display 40, starting from column number 20th. Range statement. The range statement is used to explain or document the program and allowing the programmer to place comments anywhere in the program without affecting program execution. Adding comments or remarks in a program helps to understand the code or any other important information about it. The range statement enables you to add comments to your program without the text being treated like an instruction. Range stands for brain marks. This statement is non-executable, but it enhances the readability of a program and we can add number of comments to our program as per our need. Comments can be inserted through the keyword. Example 1. Range stay. This is my first program. Or, this is my first program. Both the lines are non-executable while executing the program. Example 2. Range stay. This program displays message only. Print hello friends. How are you? Output hello friends. How are you? Few programs are as follows. Example 1. Accept two numbers from the user, then calculate their sum. Solution, CLS input. Enter first, no. 1 input. Enter second, no. 2 sum is equal to no. 1 plus no. 2 print. The sum of two numbers is sum and output. Enter first, no. 30 enter second, no. 40. The sum of two numbers is 70. Example 2. Accept your name, class and age from the user. Solution, CLS input. Enter your name, dollar input. Enter your class dollar input. Enter your age dollar. Print your name is name. Dollar print your age is class. Dollar print your age is age. Dollar END. Output. Enter your name, Raj. Enter your class. 7th enter. Your age, 12. Your name is Raj. Your class is 7th. Your age is 12. If then statement. This statement is used for making decisions based on the result of comparisons. The control flows according to the given condition. Syntax, if condition. Then statement, if the condition is true then the instruction specified after then is executed. If the condition is false, the control shifts to the end if, ignoring everything after the then statement on that line. Example, CLS input. Do you want to print numbers 1 to 4? By $. If by $. Is equal to yes, then print 1, print 2, print 3, print 4. End if. Facts.com. The statements that transfer the flow of execution in a program that is based on some condition are called conditional statements. if-then-else statement. This statement is used when we need to take decision in the program, or we check the conditions in the program. Syntax: if condition, then statement 1 else statement 2. End if checks the condition given by programmer. If it is true, then it executes the statement 1. Otherwise, the control will transfer to else part and executes the statement 2. To end this conditional statement, end if is used. Example: write a program that accepts two numbers, then display its sum if it is greater than 75. Solution: CLS input enter. First number, input enter. Second number, B. Let sum is equal to A plus B if sum 75. Then print. The sum of two numbers is input, sum else print. Please enter the number again, enter. If example, write a program to input a number and check whether it is a negative or positive number. Solution: CLS input enter a number. Num if num is 0, then print it's a positive no. Else if num is 0, then print it's a negative no. Else print it's 0. End if facts.com. To check more than one condition, we use else if statement as we need to test it again. Goto statement. Goto command is used to transfer the control of the program to the specific command or line number. The label name or line number needs to be specified along with the goto statement. Syntax: goto statement. No line, no label name. Example: print red color. Gotos 30. Print this message will not be displayed 30. Print green color. Output: red color, green color here. The message given after goto statement will not be printed on screen as the control of a program is transferred to label 30. Logical Boolean operators. The logical operators are used to combine two or more conditional expressions to evaluate a single value as true or false. The result of evaluation is used to make decisions. There are three types of logical Boolean operators. 1. An operator. All the conditions or the multiple check given with an operator are true t, then it will give true t, otherwise it will evaluate false if any one of the condition is false. See the table given alongside. 2. Or operator. O operator returns true t if any one of the condition given with it is true t, that means either of the given multiple checks with O operator is true. See the table given alongside. 3. Not operator. The condition or multiple checks given with not operator will be opposite to what it evaluates. See the table given alongside. For next loop. This loop is used when we need to execute a loop to a specific number of times. The counter variable is used with this loop that is incremented or decremented with each repetition of the loop. Syntax for counter variable is equal to start value, to end value, step value. Statement next counter variable. Here, for is the starting of loop. Start value is the initial value of counter variable. End value is the end value of counter variable. Step value is the value that defines the number of times counter variable incremented through the loop. Example: CLS for counter is equal to 1 to 5. Print counter. Next counter output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example: CLS for num is equal to 3 to 25. Step 4. Print a num. Next num. Output 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23. Example: CLS for A is equal to 10 to 2. Step 2. Print a num. Next A output 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Nested for next. Nested for. Next means using a for loop within another for. Next loop. You can use loop within loop, that is called nested loop. Syntax for counter 1 is equal to start to end step. Step value for counter 2 is equal to start to end step. Step value. Statement. Next counter 2 statement. Next counter 1 example. CLS. For I is equal to 1 to sep, for j is equal to 1 to I, print j. Next j print. Next I output 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4 5. Do while. Loop. In the do while loop, it is executed till the test of condition is true. A counter variable is used to control its execution. Syntax. Do while. Test condition statement. Loop example. CLS. Count is equal to 1. Do while. Count is equal to 10. Print count. Count is equal to count plus 2 loop. Output 1 2 3 4 5. Example. CLS. Count is equal to S. Do while. Count is equal to LS. Print count. Count is equal to count 1 loop. Output 5 4 3 2 1. Example. CLS. C is equal to 2 to print. CC is equal to C plus 2 loop. White C. It output 2 4 6. Do until loop. The do until loop is very similar to the do while loop. The only difference is that the loop is executed until a certain condition becomes true. That is, do until loop, which is executed till the condition specified is false. Syntax. Do until loop. Tis condition, tis statement. Loop example 12. C L is equal to 4. Do until loop. 15. Print A is equal to A plus 4. Loop output 4. 8 12. While when commands continue a loop until a specified expression is false. Syntax. While test condition and condition statements when. Example. CLS let number is equal to 10. While when C equal to 60, print number. Number is equal to number plus 10 when. Output 10 20 30 40 50 60. Exit command. This command is used to exit from the loop, that is to come out from the loop while execution of a loop before the expected number of executions. It can be used with either for or do. Loops. Example. CLS for no is equal to 1 to 6, print no. If no is equal to 4, then exit 4. Next no. Output 1 2 3 4. Key points. Instructions given to computers through keyboard is called statements commands in QBasic. Let statement is also called assignment statement and used to assign values to variables. Print statement is used to display messages or values on output screen. Input statement is used to accept data from the user through keyboard. Rem statement is used to insert comments in your program. If then else statement is used when you need to take decision while execution of a program. Go to statement is used to transfer the control of program to a specific line number or label. An operator returns true when all the conditions given with it evaluates true, otherwise returns false. Or operator returns true if any one of given conditions evaluates true. Not operator returns just opposite to what is evaluated by condition. For next loop is used when we need to execute the loop to a specific number of times. Counter variable is used here. Nested for. Next loop means using a for loop within another for. Next loop. Exit command is used to come out from the loop before executing the number of steps.